So, have I mentioned I love these one-piece pan gaskets? They make
No, Bobby, tell us how you really feel about those pan gaskets.
I know, you've heard me rave about it all morning. Anyway, the beauty of these, and I've done so many of these, I'm sure there's a video somewhere demonstrating it, comes with these little titties that go in the four corners. Put those on, you pop your gasket in its place, you pop your pan in its place, and it makes it so it kind of holds it up for you, and you can start your bolts. And then when I do the bolts, I go 1 and 1. And then we kind of, every other one, crisscross applesauce. Get them all in tight. And I do my four corners. And she done! Next thing going in is going to be a starter.
No, the next thing going in is going to be an oil pan drain bolt.
Oh, yeah.
With a proper gasket on it.
Yes, we have the gaskets here. We'll handle that. Gaskets. I gotta secure the shroud down here on the bottom, which is going to be fairly easy. And we can put this lower radiator hose on and the fuel pump as well. And then we can do our sway bar shenanigans as well. Getting there, almost done. Gonna be a happy car very soon. Hey Scotty, I'm videoing with music on because I don't care anymore. But Scotty,
there we go. Come on, come on, come on.
Joey's
yes.
shaft. It's in. We have a drive shaft that's not screwed up.
Sorry, Joey. I had to play with your shaft. I hope you don't mind.
Oh my God. Woo!
I'm enjoying it. Oh. Your shaft is quite large, I might add.
Oh God. Inappropriate comments. Yay! That's how we roll. Anyway.
Well, I mean, it's true. Look at it. I mean, it's huge. I had to say, oh my God, it's moving towards me.
The best is when you put the put it.
Yeah, I put it the input shaft and transmission, and this one goes. Ah!
I had to. That's funny.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Anyway, shaft in, oil pan in. I'm gonna go pop the starter in a minute. We are getting done. This is going to be done today. Joey's taking this home tomorrow. I probably just jinxed us, but
no.
Because we'll stay here till midnight if we have to?
Yep.
Oh, that's going to go over great. Anyway.
Yeah, your wife might not like it, but...
She doesn't like anything I do anyway, so... It's fine.
It's fine. It's fine.
It's fine.